What
document number 192 of 2025.
वो कहाँ है जो मैंने जिसमें कहा
The committee made 6 recommendations. Out of 6 recommendations, we have accepted 5 recommendations, except recommendation number 3.
वो कहाँ लिखा है मैंने अपनी
Lordship may have para 43 and 44.
43, yes.
Lord, they have accepted. They have now asked the Coal India to send the proposal, whether we'll be making payment, my lord, in staggered way or, my lord, constrained way. And then they will give the final approval for disbursement.
Now, disbursement is only a procedural issue.
Yes, my lord.
My lord, the approval will also.
May I just submit, my lord?
Yes.
Well, there are two parts of this approval. One part they say that the proposal which was sent by the Coal India that we have accepted, approval is granted. The second part is with regard to the calculation of the arrears and the decision with regard to the arrears as to full arrears are to be granted, it is to be curtailed, the time frame, etc. is to be decided, and for that purpose Coal India will formulate a policy, send it again to the Ministry of Coal, and then Ministry of Coal will grant approval to that. So as far as first part is concerned, because if my lord should kindly see the last order sheet, my lord said that a decision is to be taken. If decision is not taken, then my lord, the secretary will remain personally present through VC, my lord. This was the direction passed on the last day. Secretary is not present today because they say that we have granted approval. Now the issue is that if they have granted approval to the proposal sent by the Coal India, at the moment because we have certain reservations with regard to this approval, we'll point it out at later stage. But as on today, what we are saying that if they have granted approval to this proposal, then let this be implemented for current models. We are not talking about the arrears at all now, presently.
We'll ask, who's appearing for Coal India? You're appearing?
I am appealing.
So tell us in how much time will you comply with the directions issued by the ministry?
Your Lordship may give me 4 weeks' time, we will come.
My lords may kindly say. My friend is talking about approval, procedural aspect for the arrears. I am saying that the proposal which has been accepted today, that is to be implemented, my lord, because approval is already granted. They had some, my lords may just kindly have a look. They had already sent that pay scales. They had sent the pay scale which they proposed to give. Those pay scales have been approved. So now that is to be implemented, my lord. They may implement it from the next month onwards.
You see paragraph 43,
My lords.
it says the recommendation dated of the committee have been accepted, except
Yes.
recommendation number 3,
Correct.
solely with an objective to resolve pay dispatch.
Correct. Correct.
Now, insofar as 3 is concerned,
We are not saying anything on that.
so others you
My
implement?
lord,
Yes, this
kindly
would-
see 44, my lord.
Yes.
My difficulty is in 44, especially the last line where they have said that it is
No,
further
this is only with
submitted.
regard to arrears.
Yes.
Please, my lord.
Insofar as paragraph 3 of the recommendation and arrears are concerned, it will require computation as well as approvals.
Lord,
Others you implement.
my lord, we will implement. I am not saying, my lord, this will be sent to the board and board will give the approval and then, my lord, we will start paying. For the current, there will be no difficulty. For arrears,
So
I am with,
instead of 4 weeks for everything,
please, my lord.
you could consider 4 weeks for serial number 3 and arrears, computation, etc. And because you will take 4 weeks to send it to the ministry, then ministry will further take time.
Please, my lord.
So insofar as arrears and the para 44 is concerned, you take 4 weeks to send it to them.
Yes.
Others are concerned, minus clause 3, implement as early as possible.
Yes.
Lord,
Implement that as early
In
as
the
possible.
next month salary, malo, they may give us
They may
that.
do it.
my
The
lord, I will,
implementation. For areas,
Because,
they
my
may take
lord,
some time.
One second.
Malo,
let
in
Mr.
respect
Khanna
of
respond.
in respect of non-executives, 3 lakhs employees, they took 7 days in implementing that. Despite the court order against them, they took 7 days in implementing.
think
And
my
here
brother-
are only 14,000 executives in respect of whom this is to be implemented.
my lord, that's what I am saying, my lord. I'll, insofar as, my lord, implementation from the February month onward is concerned, we will do it, but I'll be needing board's approval. So, my lord, what I am submitting is, Lordship may adjourn it by 4 weeks. the arrears also, my lord, I will work out and take up with the ministry and report to your lordship. And insofar as implementation is concerned, your lordship, without recording, I say I will do my level best to get it implemented from the
As early as possible, not
Yes,
4
ma'am.
weeks.
Yes,
That's they are not, they have no grievance insofar as implementation. They say don't take 4 weeks for the one which is an admitted position.
My lord, I am saying I'll do my.
Can I just say one line?
1 minute,
My
please.
friend is saying, my lord,
1
that
minute, please. Can I complete my
Yes,
sentence?
please.
The board meeting does take some time because the representatives of ministries and various other lord are to be called. That's why I said lordship may say as early as possible. I'll try to do it, my lord, as an officer of the court. Once I'm assuring your lordship, it is my duty, my lord, to.
Just one line.
Not
I
the
wanted to
proposal
say.
itself was sent with the
Yeah,
approval of the
correct,
board.
Mano, that's
of the
what I was.
board.
That's
Now,
what I
also
was
kindly
saying.
see the
My
proposal.
friend is not instructed properly.
I know
There's already an
everything.
approval for implementation.
Yes, it is
I
already
don't,
approved by
I
the
don't
board.
come to the court without reading the brief.
18.
I know everything, but still the matter has to go to the
You would not
board.
have said that board's approval is required. It's already
I
given.
said,
बोर्ड अप्रूवल यस एंड मिनिस्ट्री के अप्रूवल के बाद बोर्ड का अप्रूवल क्या होगा हाँ
Proposal.
नहीं और मिनिस्ट्री के अप्रूवल के बाद बोर्ड अप्रूव करेगा क्या
Please find approval CIL board resolution taken in this. This proposal was sent with the approval of the board. Now government of India has also put another proposal. Approval तो नहीं.
अप्रूवल की जरूरत ही नहीं.
my lord, this affidavit we have received at 12:45 today.
One second,
Lord, I have
Governor,
to,
just,
my lord,
just hear the order.
Please, my lord.
Learned senior counsel appearing for the respondent submit that an affidavit, sorry, इससे पहले करना, an affidavit pursuant to order dated 16/12/2025 has been filed indicating that a decision has been taken on the recommendations of the committee constituted by the Ministry of Coal. Learned senior counsels for the respondent submit that though there are certain reservations with regard to the decision taken by the ministry, however, in the approval, it is noticed that some of the recommendations have been accepted without any demo, and in respect of other further deliberations have been, in respect of recommendation at serial number 3 and arrears of pays, arrears are concerned, matter has been referred to the Coal India, to the petitioner, to the appellant for further consideration. Learned senior. Sorry? No, for three and arrears, you've sent it to Coal India for
Three
some.
they have not approved, my lord.
Three they have not approved it.
You have rejected 3.
Three they
They
have
have
rejected.
rejected.
No, it has been deferred.
One,
It has been
3 is
deferred.
rejected.
No, it has not been rejected.
Three has been rejected.
But three has not been
One
rejected.
second.
That's what my lord
That
said.
insofar as recommendation number 3 is concerned, there is no acceptance of the proposal and matter has been deferred. However, there is a direction to Coal India to compute the arrears and also take further steps towards payment of the arrears are concerned. Learned senior counsel submit that insofar as the recommendations that have been accepted, the Coal India should immediately implement the same. Para. Learned senior counsel appearing for Coal India Limited prays for some more time to take further steps in terms of the recommendations of the recommendations that have been accepted and the matter which has been remitted for consideration of Coal India Limited. Para. In view of the above, re-notify on 11th February.
Lord, can I request for 20th of February?
You said 4 weeks.
Then I am
This is 5.
personal difficulty in that week. 20th if possible.
Before that,
Before 11th crore.
And Leonard should take it. They are my employees.
implement
I am also as eager as they are. I made the recommendation for them, and they are my arms and eyes, my lord.
because the arms were twisted there.
Coal India should not have preferred rate appeal then.
हाँ,
No further approval is needed.
नहीं करना सब इतना beneficial है तो appeal क्यों rejected है?
Should it be clarified today or next week? Recommendation they take, except recommendation 3, we can review it. Does not say deferred.
What we consider.
Weighing the comparative recommendation of the committee have been accepted by the sponsor, except recommendation 3. Solely we can review the result. So this solely means for accepted condition.
20th February 2026. It is expected that Coal India Limited shall expeditiously comply with the directions issued by the Ministry of Coal and also endeavor to
this will come in
implement the recommendations which have been accepted in toto by the Ministry.